Alright, show me your magic trick. Just a hat.
Thomas.
It's Thomas.
Riku.
Thank you. Yes. Good show. Do you have any more magic tricks? Like what?
It's Thomas.
Yay!
Riku.
You look like a black traffic cone.
Riku, guys. Riku.
Silly
I have a
goose.
wonderful magic trick.
Okay, let's see your magic trick.
Okay. Now hang on.
Okay. I can't look.
Yes, you can. Okay. It's Thomas. Riku.
Intermission show. And now the main act.
In case you forgot them.
Layla,
What?
camera's running. Time's a wasting.
Hang on. Okay. I'm gonna go to it. First I don't have a first I have a hat. I have
Oh no!
big and then abracadabra. It's Thomas. And then don't look over here.
I'm gonna have to turn the video off here before my phone runs out of space.
Abracadabra. Abracadabra! Bunny, duck appear! A duck came out of my head!
Wow.
Okay.
You're David freaking Copperfield.
It's
It's like you got David Copperfield and David Blaine in here. It's more like Rain Man and Sling Blade. Okay, say goodbye.